Hello students. I am Demisahue. Today I present to you Introduction to One-Dimensional Kinematics. Objects are in motion everywhere we look. Everything from a tennis game to a space probe fly-by of the planet Neptune involves motion. When you are resting, your heart moves blood through your veins. And even in inanimate objects, there is continuous motion in the vibrations of atoms and molecules. Questions about motion are interesting in and of themselves. How long will it take for a space probe to get to Mars? Where will a football land if it is thrown at a certain angle? But an understanding of motion is also key to understanding other concepts in physics. An understanding of acceleration, for example, is crucial to the study of force. What is motion in physics? In physics, motion is the change in position of an object with respect to its surroundings in a given interval of time. The motion of an object with some mass can be described in terms of the following: distance, displacement, speed, velocity, time, acceleration. What is kinematics? Kinematics is defined as the study of motion without considering its causes. In this chapter, we examine the simplest type of motion, namely, motion along a straight line, or one-dimensional motion. In two-dimensional kinematics, we apply concepts developed here to study motion along curved paths, two- and three-dimensional motion, for example, that of a car rounding a curve. Types of motion in physics. The motion of an object depends on the type of force acting on the body. Examples of different kinds of motion are given below. Translational. It is the type where an object moves along a path in any of the three dimensions. Rotational. It is the type where an object moves along a circular path about a fixed axis. Linear. It is a type of translational motion where the body moves in a single direction along a single dimension. Periodic. It is the type of motion that repeats itself after certain intervals of time. Simple harmonic. It is the type of motion like that of a simple pendulum where a restoring force acts in the direction opposite to the direction of motion of the object. This restoring force is proportional to the displacement of the object from the mean position. Projectile. It is the type of motion which has a horizontal displacement as well as vertical displacement. Oscillatory. It is the type of motion which is repetitive in nature within a time frame. If it is mechanical, it is called vibration. That is all I have. Introduction to motions. See you in the next lesson. Hello